Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and I'll be doing my initial first impression of this product here. This is a soldering iron by Urseri. The company has contacted me and asked me to choose any item from their website. And I chose this one because I know that this will not just benefit me, but also you. If you have been following me here in my channel and if you are also doing some of my DIYs, you would know that this one would have been very useful for my previous projects. For example, notably the fence projects that I had struggled sometimes to cut the pieces of those garden fences. And this is what I'm talking about, and I'm going to be demoing. This is for the first time because I haven't unboxed this one yet. I am going to give this a shot and try if this is going to be cutting this pieces here, this tough part here, and see if I can use this soldering iron. It comes and goes. Sometimes I have a hard time with my joints. You know, it comes with age, and yeah, I don't have major arthritis issues yet, but I know that's coming, and it's inevitable for people who are aging. And I am over 50 years old, and I know that someday I'm going to be having a difficult time, especially grasping some of my cutters. And I have struggled with my scissors, so I'm hoping that with this tool, and it's not that expensive, they're also offering a 5% discount coupon to an already very low price. And I will be linking down in the description box below the link to this product, as well as the coupon code that you can use if you decide to purchase one. I just want to let you know first too that although they have contacted me to do this review, I am only getting this product for free. I am not being paid extra to do this review. Neither I or any members of my family are working for this company, and also I will not get any commission from any sale that will be derived from or through this video. I'm just here to do this so that I can also try to see if I can find any alternative to make things easier for me, but hopefully those of you with the same challenges will also benefit as well. So let's get started. And this came in via Amazon, so it was pretty quick, okay? Judging from the photo here and on what I've seen on the website, it has its own stand, and I am going to try to assemble it here. So this is the soldering iron, and I think these are the ones that I can use to change, and I am interested in this. This is the blade. Really important that before I turn this on or plug it in, I should have this working already. So I'm looking at the photo here. I think this is how you can attach it. So just screw it at the bottom here to the last one up here, because I'm going to be inserting it here. I'm just putting them together to tighten them. Could probably tighten it some more like this. Okay, so I think that should be okay. And then this is where it's gonna be. Okay, now if you're a paper crafter and you are into creating, you know, those shakers, I'm hoping with this one that I can do that as well. Okay, so probably in the future I will show you more in depth as I learn about this product. But right now, I'm just going to be using this for testing to see how it's going to work for my garden fences. How you will unlock it and change the tip. There you go. And then that's where you put it. So just put it here. I'm thinking on that side there, and then there. Voila, that's not too bad. Wasn't in the direction, but you know, it's kind of straightforward anyway. I'm just putting this here and I'm gonna be plugging it in. I'm gonna be timing it how long it'll take to heat up. I can start smelling at 35 seconds. So it does smell like something's burning there. I mean, that it's heating up, not really burning. So let me just put this aside here. Is it hot enough? Now the smell, the fumes, of course. So I'm just putting a little bit of pressure only. See that? Okay, so I think I would need a good place to where I could cut. So what I'm going to use is my glue gun stand, the portion where I have the cutting board. Okay, the cutting board of my glue gun stand, because I don't want to burn. I don't want to burn my counter to do this. See this? And that's why I made this anyway. Alright, so that's it. So it does heat up. That's amazing. Okay, I'm just being careful because my counter is plastic and I don't want to burn it. All right, there it is. First impression review. This is not an in-depth review. In about 35 seconds, I was able to utilize this and use probably a cutting glass surface or steel, something that's not gonna burn. And also caution for you, because you need to probably open your windows for air ventilation. We have a fire sprinkler and I am kind of elevated right now. This is a bar height table, and then I am even stepping on a stepping stool, and our ceiling's kind of close to me and I don't want to trigger that, so caution on that as well for you guys. And if you have a smoke detector, this may be detected too, so just a tip for you. But I think this is good. I'm just kind of sloppy because I didn't have a good surface to work on. I was afraid to be burned, but I think this will do the job that I am looking for. So that's my first impression. I think we're good. The user manual doesn't really provide the steps. It is straightforward to know how to unscrew things, but it would be nice to have those simple instructions for, let's say, beginner crafters, those who don't have any experience with tools like that. So there are so many items in here, and I'm hoping to play with this toy for now. But again, my first impression so far so good. The only comment that I have as a first impression is not enough information on the manual on how to really operate this. I will still give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested, especially if you're one of those that are constantly doing DIYs and you find yourself having a hard time cutting on those thick items, working on wooden projects that you need to engrave, you can use this. Okay, hope to talk to you again in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for always supporting me here on my channel. Please leave some comments down below. I enjoy reading them, and I hope that you're having a great day. Till my next video, bye bye.